In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an Edpuzzle account. Whether you're a teacher or a student, the process is quick and easy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to edpuzzle.com. And as you can see on the top right corner, you have the sign up option. If you click the blue button, what will happen is Edpuzzle will ask you to choose a role. You can select from a teacher or a student. Now in this video, I am going to choose a student. Matter of fact, we also have a separate video on how to create a teacher account here in our channel that you might be interested, so check that out please. Now, here all I have to do is super simple. Just choose from any of the following account. You can choose to use your Google account or your Microsoft account. It's up to you. Now, let's say I am going to choose using my Google account. As you can see, you need a class code from your teacher. All right, because you cannot create an Edpuzzle account if you're a student unless one of your teachers on your school or university gave you a class code. Now, in this case, if you don't have the class code, you might want to ask your teacher and then follow the on-screen instructions. It's super simple. As you can see, I have already created a student account and I don't have anything yet in place because this is a newly created account and I need another link that my teacher will give me so that I can join for a class. Okay? So the next thing is we are going to create a teacher account. Now, what I'm about to show you is using the teacher account. And all I have to do is super simple. Now, if you choose the teacher account, all I have to do is provide your first name, last name, and the email, and of course your password, and confirm the login details. Now, for example, one of your co-teachers gave you a referral code. You can also add it here, which is optional. And of course, agree to the Edpuzzle terms of service. Let's say I am going to answer all of these. Okay. Provide all of the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, Edpuzzle will send you a link that you need to click so that they could verify your email address and of course your account. If you click on it, what will happen is, as you can see, your account has been fully verified and you can now browse and learn more about Edpuzzle using the platform. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create an account here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next one.